usually get a little bit antsy and nervous before I play, but tonight I think I'm just having a minor heart attack from the drive here. You know, we came down the 401 from Belleville, and scary stuff. Rick says, "Where's the road?" I said, "Don't worry about it." And then we have, an 18-wheeler passing us on the side of us. Holy shit, we're gonna die tonight. She goes to parties too. Never seen a party last as long as my woman too. For me, I can't raise no God didn't know. Lord, I can't raise no corn, because the long evil weevils won't leave my crops alone. Oh yeah. Because she stayed out all the night. I went to her place, Lord, I did knock on her door. I peeked through the cracks, there was a body laying on her floor. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Meetings, Lord, she goes to parties too. I've never seen a party last as long as my woman too. For me, I can't raise no God didn't know. Lord, I can't raise no corn, because the long evil weevils won't leave my crops alone. Oh yeah. Thank you.